Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars in Ural of New England. I'm in our service center right now, and we're in the process of building this brand new Caribbean blue Ural gear up. This is a 2023 model, and this is just going to be a quick, exciting video just showing you where we're at in the build process and talking about a few of the accessories we already have on this Ural. On the sidecar fender, we can see the light protection. Very sturdy and robust powder-coated guards. And on the taillight of the bike, same thing there. All these which are available on our e-store. We can see the spare tire is missing. Spare tire in the rack is missing off the back. That still has to be installed. I love these yellow lenses of the LED sidecar driving lights. I think the contrast looks awesome with this stunning color. Really awesome color. And there are some tools on the ground. A little bit of, I don't want to call it mess, but so don't mind that, because like I said, the technician just on lunch. This bike is in process of being built. We can see the battery is missing. It's sitting right there on the ground, ready to be installed. Ural does a great job of packaging these to make sure there's no damage or anything, and make sure it's as easy as possible to take them out of the freight packaging. They actually come separated. I'll insert a picture for you right now to look at of these two before they were joined together. But just this morning, the technician actually just bolted the sidecar to the bike. And we can see the heavy-duty joints that keep them together. They all have adjustability. So one of the last things in the build process is doing a alignment. So just like the alignment in your car will throw off your tire wear and how it handles, same thing with a sidecar motorcycle. You need to make sure that's in spec so it handles as designed, and make sure the tire wear is as even as possible as well. So stay tuned, because we're going to have an in-depth video on this bike. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough Service Center, and until next time.